Just missed your head.
Can't go over the back, I think.
I don't blame you. It's only just enough wind for this one.